The way we go about to make it sound human and train it, I use train like in quotation marks because at this point it's still mostly prompt engineering. So you can train your own model where you're actually adjusting like the weights, but that is something that costs at a minimum, thousands of dollars and scales up to easily, millions and millions. What we're doing is really more prompt engineering, but with the right tools, one thing you can do that makes it sound a lot more human is you can do prompt chaining. You gather the data that you need, you make a series of opinions on that data, then on the very last part you put those opinions together into a sentence that sounds human, and it sounds human because your prompt has examples of a human sounding way. And then of course you have to audit its output, like audit 20 of its outputs, but if 20 of them sound human, then you can probably be safe to say like, okay, now send out 5,000 emails and you're confident that they're going to have a good hit rate. So you do need to make sure it sounds human, but I would argue on the hill that you can get the AI to sound pretty good if you just put in the work.